Hi friends, we have ordered a new bicycle, Hero Cycles, a Spiker which is yellow color. We have ordered this from Flipkart, and by using credit card we have received 15% discount, 10% as standard discount and 5% additional for Axis Bank card. So the net cost of this cycle is around 4,400 rupees, and we just received it. Though there was slight confusion from Flipkart where they said someone will come to install, but when I read the specification, it clearly says no installation required, comes as pre-installation. So I'm trying to do an unboxing and installation. Let's see how it goes. I've taken a scissor. I'll first break the packing which is done here. So we have cut the strings. Now opening the box. One thing which I forgot to say, the person when he came for delivery from Flipkart, he actually dropped the box from the cart. But it is a steel bicycle, so I thought not to say anything and just accept the delivery. That's how the box looks into, and I can see a tire, one white bag which is at the bottom, and the cycle. Looks heavy. Let me try if I can pull it out. Good, I have removed the main bicycle. There's a bag inside. I've removed that as well. We'll open that in some time. And there is a toolkit. And I'm sure something has broken because this tie was lying in the box, so I'm sure it was tied somewhere, but it is broken. The box is empty, and I'll throw the box outside for some time so that we get space to assemble it. So now I'm unboxing the bag. It looks like a treasure bag. So I've got two sets of paddles, and that's the seat, also called a saddle, but I will prefer to call it a seat. It looks very stylish, very soft as well. There are reflectors. I assume 4 reflectors are for tire, 2 each, one for the back side and one for the front side. I'm not sure if I can assemble that, but I'm trying to do it once. I'm not pretty sure what are these, but we'll figure out at some time. This is definitely for the seat. I have no idea what is this, but let's figure it out at later stage. And that's it. This was in the bag. I'll discard the bag and make some space for us. I think I saw a video on YouTube, and the first thing which they did was installing the seat. So I will also do the same thing, and I'll first install the seat. It looks pretty simple installation. I may need a tool kit for this, and there's a manual as well in this book. It's a pretty fancy tool which has multiple options in one tool. I generally don't prefer this kind of. I have a big tool set, but let me give a try with this once. Unwinding it first so that I will be able to push this rod into the saddle. Because I'm short in my height, I'm trying to put it completely inside, and based on once the cycle is installed, I'll make the adjustments. I'm just tightening the screw back. I think I've done it well, so let's try and install it again in the main bicycle. I'll definitely need this toolkit again. I'll probably keep it at a considerable height. There is a nut here very simple. Of course, I need to figure out which will be used. So, and depending on the height, we'll have to fix it at a later stage. I'm just going it with a normal height. But this is the main reason I don't like such tools, because it's very difficult to operate. Yeah, now the seat is stable, so I can leave the seat and just try and tighten it. Yeah, see, one thing which I noticed with such tools that, I've already started damaging the color of the bicycle. So usually you should have those normal traditional tool sets, which is much easier to operate. Yep, looks like I'm able to do it. Now the next step was to install the handle. So I'll also do that. Make sure the wires are cleared before you install it. Okay, now I've noticed the cycle direction is the other side, so I may have to rectify this first. So what I noticed is this handle is the other way around, so I need to make sure it is straightened first, which I've done now. And I have to make sure the wires are not crossing each other. So, and of course we'll have to make sure the handle is in the straight direction. Yep, this looks okay to me. Yeah, I'll just fit it the way it is right now, and then we can adjust the height. Yeah, the same issue. First takes time to understand which key will fit. You have to make sure the handle is straight, or else it will be difficult to drive. Yeah, difficult to balance. Yeah, I'll leave it as is. Maybe after installation we will see how to fix all the nuts. Now I need to turn the cycle upside down so I can remove the tire. One interesting fact, tires don't have air pressure, which means I'll have to figure out how to fill the air, and I don't have an air pump at home. Not something which I would have expected, because if I'm installing at home, I definitely need to have the air pump, and I don't have it. So I'm sure I can't drive after installation, but yeah, let's try and still install. I'll lift the cycle upside down, and you have to be very careful because it's very heavy. Yes, this is the reason why you have to install the seat first, because if you won't install the seat, you will not be able to put the cycle upside down in a right way. A couple of good things which I noticed about this bicycle, it comes with a free stand. There are a lot of cycles you get online where they don't give you stand, so you have to spend 200 rupees extra. I don't think there is any accessory missing. Of course, I don't see the cycle bell, which of course we can buy. It won't cost more than 100 rupees. So I'll remove this tire now. I'm a little scared it will fall. So there are a tie which is used to tie it. So I'm just trying to break that tie now. Be very careful because they have actually put it into spoke, and if you see the spoke is damaged, it's actually completely broken. So I will have to get it repaired, to be very frank, even if I have to drive the bicycle first. So I don't know if I would like to replace it. This is something which I did not expected. Yeah, it's pretty bad experience in terms of the way they have handled. If you see, the spoke is completely broken, and as you know, to replace one spoke you have to actually open the complete tire. I will go for replacement for sure, because I have no confidence that I'll have to get it. It will cost me quite a big amount to get this one spoke repaired. I also did not like the strength of the spokes. It's very loose. Really very poor quality of work. And I will definitely not prefer a bicycle with such a loose spoke. This looks pretty sturdy, but if you see the front spokes, they are very loose. If you can see, I am able to press it very with a very less pressure. These are all very loose spokes. So yeah, I think I've decided to replace this. It's not worth for me to go and replace one spoke, which will cost me quite a good money. Because even if it's one spoke, they'll have to open this tire, replace the spoke, do the alignment, and then reinstall, which will cost me somewhere around 200 rupees. And I definitely don't want to spend that money. Thank you guys for watching, and once I get a replacement, I'll again start this recording as a fresh recording.